Hey, what's good, peeps? Welcome back to the LP Travels channel. It's your bro LP bringing you the best and finest travel content from around the globe. I mean the best places to be, the best places to see, the finest holiday destinations, beaches, music, people, culture, lifestyle, art, and so much more. So stay tuned because you know you don't want to miss it. So in this episode, I'm coming to you from the beautiful Georgetown in the stunning Grand Cayman Islands. This is one of the most beautiful Caribbean islands I've ever been to, and to anybody heading out to the islands, make sure you head out to Georgetown. You won't be disappointed. So one of the things you're going to experience when traveling to the Cayman Islands by cruise ship, whether you're sailing by the MSC cruises or by the Norwegian cruises or Disney cruises or whichever cruise, you're gonna have to take a tender boat from the cruise ship to the island. One of the main reasons is because Cayman lacks a permanent pier. So cruise ships must anchor in Georgetown Harbor and bring passengers to shore aboard lifeboats and local tender vessels. Riding on the tender boat is fun because you get to see the beautiful view of the ship that you're sailing in and the beautiful view of the ship surrounding it. And of course, you get to see the beautiful waters and everything else in its beautiful natural glory. So it's definitely worth it. So as you can see, I'm surrounded by the beautiful MSC Meraviglia cruise ship. This is a very beautiful cruise ship. It's very big and spacious, and there's a lot of fun activities to do on board. And I've definitely had one of the best experiences of my life. So you should definitely hop on one of these on your next trip to the islands. Or try out the other vessels. They are also beautiful and lovely too. This tropical paradise is known for its blue, crystal clear waters, vibrant marine life, and a rich cultural history. So let's dive right in and explore what this beautiful destination has to offer. Georgetown is the capital of the Cayman Islands and is located on the western coast of the Grand Cayman. It's a bustling port city with a charming mix of colorful buildings, duty-free shops, and lively local markets. If you're into food like I'm into food, then make a stop at the Georgetown Market, where you can find everything from fresh local produce to handmade crafts and all kinds of souvenirs. The vibrant colors and friendly vendors make this a must-visit spot for anyone wanting to experience the local culture. One of the best things about Georgetown is its stunning waterfront. The clear turquoise waters are perfect for snorkeling, diving, and swimming. If you're a fan of marine life, you're in for a treat. Don't miss the Cayman Islands National Museum. This museum is housed in one of the oldest surviving public buildings in the Cayman Islands and offers a fascinating insight into the island's history and culture. The museum is a treasure trove of knowledge and definitely worth a visit. The main port is a tourist destination and it is packed with people coming from all over the world. The waters around Grand Cayman are home to some of the most beautiful coral reefs and diverse marine life in the Caribbean. You might even spot a turtle or two, so be on the lookout. Make sure to try out some of the local fruits like mangoes, papayas, and coconuts. They are incredibly fresh and delicious. Don't be surprised if you run into a chicken or two, because you're definitely gonna run into some chickens or chicklings somewhere on this island. Well, that's a wrap on our tour of Georgetown, Grand Cayman Islands. This island has so much to offer, from its rich history and culture to its breathtaking natural beauty. I hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as I did. And look out for episode 2 of Grand Cayman Islands. Yes, we got a lot more to share, so make sure you stay tuned in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the LP Travels channel for more amazing travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Bye for now, your bro LP. Catch you on the next one. Let's go.